Hey everybody, this is a quick tutorial to show you guys how you can use a couple of the items in the Google Tools suite to help create accessibility for video lecture capture. So a lot of you guys are using different screen recorders, video screen recorders, or you're using Blackboard Collaborate or Screencast-O-Matic or whatever the case may be. But unfortunately, some of these video lecture capture programs are not ADA compliant in that they don't create closed captioning. Well, I'm going to show you how you can use a couple items out of Google Tools to kind of address that and to make what we call good faith ADA accommodation. So one of the first things that you can do is you can create a transcript. And there's two ways you can create this transcript. One, you can create it ahead of time and then read the transcript while you're working on your recording, or you can use the technique I'm going to show you now. Sometimes it's not convenient for folks to type a long script out and try to read it, because as we find, we get tongue-tied, we stumble. I'm not the best script reader myself. So let me show you one of the ways that I have found that is an easy way to create a transcript while you're recording. So you can see right now I'm logged in with my TCC account. So it's it's your first name dot last name at my.tccd.edu, and when you log in, it's hosted by Gmail. So if you go to Gmail and you use your email address and then your credentials, it will log you in to your Gmail. And one of the things that you can do is once you're logged in, you can go when you're on Google or one of the Google pages, it'll give you this gray Rubik's Cube grid, that you can click on. And this one's not working, of course, because I'm doing this live. So let me go to another page. So now that I'm on this main page, you can see I could go to Gmail, or I can go to the grid. And when I go to the grid, you can see right here that there is your drive, your Google Drive. Goodness gracious. So I'm going to click on that. And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to create a Google Doc. I'm just going to go ahead and create one. And you can see here you can actually name it and just call it whatever you wish. Obviously make it what you need. And then one of the cool things, this is a quick and easy way to create a transcript that you can post along with a video. You can actually go up to Tools and then come down until you see Voice Typing. Now, I want you to know that this option will not be available if you're using Firefox or Opera or Windows Explorer. You have to be in Google Chrome to see this and be logged in. So I'm going to choose Voice Typing. And you want to make sure that you have a USB microphone like a headset or some sort of computer audio that's already provided for. So once you have the document open and you have your microphone configured, which you can click on these little arrows here and it'll all take care of it, you can click on the microphone, and as I'm talking right now, you will see that the words start to appear. Now, the only problem is that it will not insert punctuation, so you will have to go back after you're finished and insert that punctuation, but this is a lot easier than perhaps having to listen to the entire broadcast and come back and type and type and type. So you can see how great this is as a tool that you can use when you're trying to make a video accessible. We even had one instance on our team where we had an instructor that had a student that they were doing a live broadcast and they had no way of providing captioning. So what the instructor did was she shared a Google Doc with the student, and then as she broadcasted, she did the same thing I'm doing right now, and the student was able to follow along with the video as well as the live transcript that was being created. And when you're finished, all you have to do is push the record button one more time to stop. The algorithm, the computer algorithm that you just witnessed that was typing that all out, is the same computer algorithm that is used with YouTube when when YouTube automatically generates closed captioning for videos that are uploaded. Also, if you have an Android phone and you send a voice text, it's the same technology. And it's very similar to what Apple iOS uses. So you know it's not perfect, but it's a great starting point. So let me show you another way that you can do this. So this was pretty cool, right? I thought so. So I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to go ahead and close this, and we're going to go back to Google Drive. And you can see right here I have a test presentation in Google Slides. I'm going to go ahead and open this. And this is really neat. I'm going to show you this. I think you'll dig this. So let's say you have a PowerPoint that's all built out, and you want to present this. No problem. All you do is go ahead and click Present. It's going to go full screen on me for a moment, so just bear with me. There we go. And now I clicked on the Disable Full Screen, so it's just fitting in my field of view here. And you can see that I am in presentation mode, but look at this right here. It actually has a closed captioning option. And this is a live closed captioning option. So now if I'm showing a PowerPoint presentation, I can go through the PowerPoint presentation while I'm speaking, while recording a screencast or a Blackboard Collaborate session. And now I have live captioning that's happening. Is it true closed captioning? No, not at all. But again, it is a move in good faith to provide more accessibility, and people that need text are going to appreciate having this extra technology available. I would highly recommend that you go with option 1, which is to create a transcript and post it. But sometimes if you're doing a live session that is not going to be recorded, you can use this technology as well. So that way, when the student is looking at the screen, they see the text that is pertinent to that particular slide. It's not too bad either. It actually works pretty well. I'm speaking at a normal pace, and the text is keeping up with me quite well. I hope that this quick tutorial has been helpful, and if you would like to reach out to us, please do so at the email address that you see appear on your screen. There we go. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, and we look forward to hearing from you.